Yo, what's going on, guys? Quick video today. I just wanted to come on here and kind of talk about honestly overcomplicating things and like not how to fix it, but just talk about overcomplicating things and specifically daily bias. So that's where I messed up today. I didn't take any losses. I got break even today. I'll show you the trade. But honestly, there was a very clear, very obvious setup that I should have taken today, and I didn't. And that ended up, I didn't lose any, right? But probably could have passed the account today. Like, that's not the issue. It's just the issue that I shouldn't be missing these. And the reason I missed this setup was because I was married to the wrong bias, when really the bias should have been quite easy, and I was just trying to overcomplicate things. So coming into the day, I'm not gonna say I was bearish, but I was looking for shorts because market open right here on this candle, and we're already pumping. So at this point in my head, I'm like, okay, I already kind of missed the move, which was my first mistake, because our overall draw was all-time highs, and obviously there's still time to catch that move. You don't need to catch the whole thing. You just need to catch a piece of the pie. So at this point, I'm like, okay, I missed the move. I'm gonna wait for. I wanted to see London or Asian get taken on NQ and then put in an SMT with ES, and then I was going to look for shorts, when I should have been looking for setups to London or Asia. Right, so this is the setup that I kind of missed out on, that like everyone was taking, or mainly everyone took clean IFVG. Damn, excuse me, I need to get an air purifier in here. So dusty. Anyway, this is the setup that I should have taken, and this is the setup that mainly everyone took. It was honestly, it was pretty clean. Right as macro was opening, we get a 1 minute inversion. Biggest thing is that we fail to inverse these gaps right here, right? We come down, we fail to inverse this 5 minute, because right here I'm like, okay, if we inverse this, I'm going short. Once we respect it, I should be honestly abandoning the shorts and saying, hold on, I need to blow my nose. Yeah, once we respect this and we fail to inverse this 5 minute gap, I should be looking and saying, okay, even though we have an SMT with London highs, the draw is higher. This isn't the draw. The draw is higher. And we're continuing to respect bullish PD arrays, right? So we respect the 5 minute, come down, we look. Okay, we have a 1 minute gap. Do we have a 2 minute? No 2 minute. So we have a 1 minute gap here. That's the highest time frame. And then, we respect the 5 minute gap, inverse the 1 minute gap, and just enter off that. Stops at the candle because there's no SMT there, and then just you can target whatever, all-time highs, anything really, would have been 40-point move if I risked the right amount. Could have definitely got the account. So the trade I did take, I don't hate. I got break even on, so I hit break even. So we still have all-time highs, and we put in an SMT with it. So the problem with this was, I thought this was confidence to go down, but in reality, when it's all-time highs, I kind of learned that like ES, you're not gonna really see just a dump off until the pairs are correlated. So like ES needs to take the high as well. It's not a lot of the time going to be SMT that's respected with all-time highs. But we did put in an SMT with all-time highs, and then you can see this little inversion. We have a small gap that we actually did inverse here that I entered off of, which gave me a pretty good fill, only 10-point stop loss. My break even was at this 5-minute gap, and what I should have done, because we like just wicked it perfectly and then respected it. Honestly, I should have just put my full TP here. Still would have been a 1 to 2. Only would have been 25 points, but I could have just risked more. You know, I could have risked. Well, I mean, dude, I could have risked like 20 cons. My target was an unfilled 15-minute, which we did not want to come down and take. But yeah, I should have just targeted this as my full TP because it would have gave me the RR I needed. And it would have been a decent trade, honestly. I'm not mad about it. Maybe a little greedy targeting the 1 to 4 because like, or the 1 to 3.8, whatever. And then we just continued higher. But yeah, I think the biggest thing to learn from this trade was that, one, when you're coming into your daily bias, keep it simple. You know, we're coming up. What's our draw here? Our draw is all-time highs. I thought we were gonna reverse after London or Asia, wherever it was, somewhere in here, and I think that was like a fair analysis. But once I see us take it and then continue, you know, we take it, we come down, and then we fail the inverse 5-minute gaps. We just continue respecting these fair value gaps. That's when I have to like react off the market and say, okay, we're still bullish. Price wants to head higher. What's the next draw on liquidity? All-time highs, right? So I think that's the biggest thing I need to learn from today. It's going to be interesting going into tomorrow because we are trading at all-time highs now. Hopefully, honestly, we can see a little sell-off during Asia or London or New York PM. And then we can just form some structure and generate some liquidity to target for tomorrow. But if not, because I hate trading longs at all-time highs where you have no like targets. You just have to target like standard deviation or whatever, you know. Like there's really nothing to target. So it's kind of sketchy. I don't really like it, but this could be like a higher time frame market maker sell model soon, you know. Original consolidation, distribution phase, accumulation again, and then honestly, like if we get a smart money reversal up here somewhere and then sell down to here, that is not, anyway. But yeah, I can see that playing out maybe in the next, you know, couple weeks, maybe the next week. Yeah, I hope we form some structure here for tomorrow and then we can possibly look to short. But yeah, pretty quick video, honestly. You know, it's tough seeing like in hindsight that I missed this super obvious setup, but at the same time, it's not like I took a loss today, and even if I did, it's like there's always something to learn, you know. So I think I just gotta learn to be more reactive on my bias and not marry a bias, especially when it's kind of like a reach. Like looking for shorts today, honestly, I wouldn't say it's a reach, but yeah, just like reacting off the fact that price is continuing bullish. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up there. Just get this video out. Just a quick video, and yeah, that's all I got. See you boys. Stay safe.